Welcome back, friends. We are in lesson number 13. In lesson number 12, we saw how we could make a very simple comic using say and think blocks. Now, recall that in lesson number 12, we had only one sprite which followed our commands and we told it to do say a small dialogue or think something, right? But as we want to develop that further, we are going to have to build more sprites into our program, right? So the question that comes up is that in a program which has got multiple sprites, how do I know at any given point who am I talking to, which sprite am I giving my commands to? Now this is actually very important. This is something that you have to be always careful of, otherwise your program can start to do something strange, because all sprites are just obedient, they just follow whatever you're telling them to do. So I'll tell you a very simple method of doing this. Now let's just look at our project window here. Recall I have a cat which is standing on a, I've just put a background of the beach. Let's say I add one more sprite just for the just for the sake of illustration. So I go and add, let's say, a sprite. For example, I go and add this beetle sprite. So the beetle comes here. Now notice something very interesting, right? Whenever I select this cat in the cat's home, which is cat's home, I select it here. I also get a little cat appearing on this side in the, recall this is the script area. In one of the earlier videos we have looked at the background, the project environment tour. I told you this is called the script area, and this script area, notice there's a small little cat here. If I go and select the beetle, then I am seeing a little beetle here, right? And in fact, this is the way we figure out who we are talking to. So if I want to tell something to the cat, I will put I'll select a cat here and I'll put all my commands on the cat section. The thing to make sure is that I'm indeed seeing a cat on the top right. It looks simple right now, but when you have lots of sprites, sometimes it get pretty confusing. But the rule is very simple. Go select the sprite that you want to give commands to. You should see that sprite reflected on the script area, and then you can give the commands. Beautiful thing is that these sprites are so obedient, so sincere, that they will not interfere with each other, right? So whatever you tell to beetle, beetle would do. Whatever you tell to cat, the cat would do, right? In fact, you can rename the sprite here right now to say cat, right? So it becomes easier, right? So cat and beetle. We will develop this further, but this rule is important. Keep this in mind. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.